This townhome neighborhood originally was a tight grid with streets that jutted out from a straight street. What we did on this one was to create some interest, add a larger detention pond by pulling away from the middle, and then adding a diffuser for traffic. Now, there is no traffic there, but the reason for this island is to essentially put a turnaround for fire and police and create an interesting item along what would normally be a very boring road, but have an alternate fire and police turnaround because of the length of the cul-de-sac would uh, not be compliant with the total length of that is allowed. So essentially, we're putting a cul-de-sac on a cul-de-sac, which we did get approved. And then we didn't put the cul-de-sac in the center, and that because a few reasons. Is the topography where we could put detention, and also that you would be able to drive home at this area and have a great view vista of the park instead of garage doors each side. And we this was approved. It's a much nicer neighborhood than what would have been built with a long straight street and a row of garage doors on these units. And what's unusual about this one is the developer nor builder hired us, but the civil engineer hired us to do a better job than they could think of doing in a long linear approach to the growth of this nice little neighborhood.